Hi, this instructional video is about translation. Translation. Translation is another type of a transformation, moving from one point to another on a coordinate plane. Sometimes translation is called a slide. For example, if you ever played chess, one of my favorite characters is the rook. You know, the guy who looks like a castle. It kind of looks like this, I guess, right? I'll do my best to draw this guy. Here we go. Okay, say that's a rook. It's a terrible rendition of a rook. Okay, there's a rook. Looks like a castle. And as you know, the rook can go up and down the chessboard and left to right with no limit of space wherever is available. Okay? That's kind of like what this is. Translation is sliding up and down on the coordinate plane and left to right. Actually, let me take that back. You go left to right first because the x coordinate comes first. So you go left to right first and then up and down. Let me demonstrate with number 1 over here. First, what you should do is plot these points. So here we go. Here's the coordinate plane. Here's the x-axis. Here's the y. The first coordinate is -4 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. Here's the first coordinate. Let's call that A. The second point is -1 and 4. So -1 and 4. There it is. Call that B. C is 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. X first. And then 3. So there it is. Call that C. And the D is 0. We don't go left or right. But 2. 1, 2. There it is. There's the D. So draw a line for every one of those vertices, and we have what appears to be a parallelogram. Okay? So A, B, C, D. There's the coordinates. Now, here's how you read it. It says for whatever the x is on the xy coordinate, for every x, you move right 2 spaces. You move along the x-axis 2 spaces. Positive 2 means go right. And on the y coordinate, whatever you have on the y, you go down because along the y is up and down. So negative is go down 5. So here's what it looks like. Here's the A. It goes to go right 2 first. 1, 2. So you were at 4. Now you're going to be at -2. And then go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. There's a new A prime. So it's a new coordinate. Instead of -4, it's going to be -2. Instead of -4, it's going to be -2. And instead of 3, 3 minus 5 is -2. There's your new coordinate for A prime. What's the B? You were at -1. Now you're going to go 2. 1, 2. So B is at 1. And the y is 4. You were at 4. You're going to go down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. So it's going to be, when you move, that's going to be -1. And so that's the B prime. And C, you were at 3. So you're going to move 2. 1, 2 over here. And then down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be a C prime. And this one's a B prime now. Whoa, did I go way ahead? I'm sorry. You were at, where was I? C? C is right here. So I'm going to go 2, 1, 2, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it just looks like I'm wrong, but it's not. Okay? And so that's going to be, it's going to be 5 and -2. And finally the D, Phew, that was a little confusing, huh? Whatever this is, you're gonna go 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, D prime. So 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Draw the line. As bad as it looks, there you go. And there's the new coordinates for A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime of that new coordinate. Yeah! Why don't you try number 2? Graph the 3 points, draw the line through it, obviously it's going to be a triangle, and translate those points to its new location using this information. How'd that turn out, huh? So let's see if mine's gonna look just like yours. Here we go. Here's the coordinate plane. Here's the y, here's the x. The first coordinate point is 2 and 2. 1, 2. Y is 1, 2. That's A. Second point is 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And the third point is 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, way up there. Draw the line, we have a triangle. Now, we're going to take the x and y, and whatever the x is, we're going to subtract the 8. That means we're going to move left 8 spaces. Now this time, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let me go ahead and just take that 8, whatever the x is, the 2. 2 minus 8, just subtract the 8. So if you have $2 in the bank, take out $8, you will have still owe the bank $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should give myself more space, but there I am. And the y, the 2 minus the 1, it's going to be just 1. So the new coordinate is 6 and 1 right there. There's the A prime, new location. The B was 5 and 1. Take the 5, but minus 8. $5 in the bank, take out $8. You took out too much. You're going to owe the bank $3, minus 3. Whatever the 1 is, minus the 1, is going to be a 0. So the new coordinate is 1, 2, 3, and a 0 right there. There's your B prime. A prime, B prime. And finally the C. Whatever the C is, which is 3 for the x, minus the 8, that's negative 5. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. And the y, 6 minus negative 1, or 6 minus 1 is 5. There's your new location for the C prime. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be right. Did I get it? 3, 4, 5. Right there and right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know where I am. There I am somewhere. There's my C prime. And you got the exact same triangle, but it shifted that way 8 units and it went down 1. That. So it's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. There you go. Enjoy.